The sounds of the highway, ga-ring, ga-dung, we know so much. Outside of a small town, in the middle of an Arizona thing, we find that the stores are closed, the alcohol is dry. You will not find any answer. The answer is already under all the rocks, embedded in the sand, carved up with all the callous signs that say, "Don't drive here, stop, dog bark, private property ownership." I want a gas station right now full of unleaded. And if it was open, if I could only take it and taste it and put it in myself, I'm walking right now in the middle of a goddamn interstate, a highway. We are walking towards the Grand Canyon. I am crossing it. I am not afraid. There are many things in the night, and they all have shape. They all have something. I am now standing on dry, brown, gold grass. There are many things in the night. There are motels, hotels, Indian reservation wannabe steak houses that carve up ribs like they're nothing. This motel I live at could be the answer of everything. And although I know I already said there are no answers, the fact that I said that means that there must be something in the neon burst of a bulb. You may drink your whiskey good, and if you do, well, beware, because you are now somewhere beyond the enlightened frock of know-nothing people shaking their wrists at their televisions. I want a car right now full of hot steam, and we will drive somewhere and find something, and we will be amazing because that is our task here now on this very earth. Be gentle. Be very gentle.